iPhone 14 screen frozen easy fix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix if your iPhone 14 has a frozen screen and how you can fix it, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe that the screen is not responding for some reason over here. How do you fix if it is frozen? Normally what you do is you normally just press the power button or the volume and the power buttons together over here in order to slide or power off your device over here. But what we're going to do over here is a little bit different since our iPhone is not responding to us. So what we need to do over here is quickly press the volume up and volume down button and then quickly press and hold the power button. So let me show you what it looks like. Just quickly press this and then just press and hold the side buttons over here. As you press and hold the side buttons, it is actually going to force restart itself. So just go ahead and do this and then press and hold this, and it will force restart itself automatically if it is frozen. Now this way you'll be able to actually fix screen frozen or easy fix for iPhone 14. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.